Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with Christmas lights, and today I'm on my full-time job, which is a full-time firefighter, and it is right before Christmas time, and I wanted to show you a little surprise of what this video might be and show of it. I always remembered as a little kid, they had Santa Claus on the back of a fire truck, and he would stop by at our house when I was younger. Well, today I get to ride with this guy. That's right, Mr. Santa Claus himself.
How are you doing, Jason?
I'm doing awesome, Santa Claus.
Are you ready for this wonderful parade?
I am ready for this wonderful parade. I'm already hearing the music going and everything.
Me too. I tell you, we're ready. Rain looks like it's held off for us.
Sweet. So I will have clips of us going down through the parade, and then we're going to put some fairy dust on the Christmas tree to light it up. So stay tuned.
Merry Christmas. How are you? Merry Christmas.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's actually pretty nice. Kids up there in the window up there. Here.